Stand up, I got you. Guys, right now I'm fishing a little U-tail worm on a light Texas rig weight with a Texas rig 3/0 hook. And I'm just pretty much fishing this close to the top like a swim jig, or almost like a frog, and letting it. I swear, if I get bit, this rod's gonna slip out of my hand. He ain't gonna measure. Whew. You wanna check? That was a cold ride. Nah, he ain't gonna be 12, I know it already. Take bigger ones than that though, you know. Look what he spit up. He spit up something. Look at that. I have no clue. It looks like a dead shad. Something. Come on. This one will measure, I know it. He done broke it. Oh my God. Son of a gun. There's their bed right there. God, dog, I missed him. No, they gonna think, was that a brick? Kunk. They gonna get nailed in the head. There you go. All right, well, as long as he's a keeper, I'm fine. Well, he might be. God, he's almost there. Grow up. Tell your mama to bite. Something. All right, boys, we got 3 fish, and I stuck one that was giant, and I lost him, unfortunately. Dad lost about 3 on a spinnerbait because they kept wanting to shake off. And we've missed about 15 fish because they keep on biting the tail of my worm, and they're short biting right now. So it's really tough. Normally they're either biting for like a second and they leave you alone, or they just keep on biting your tail and then you set the hook and they're not there. And these are bass that we're missing, not bluegill. Because they would not hit as hard as they are right now if they were bluegill. We're just fishing it really slow on the bottom. All right, I'm gonna turn the boat to where you can fish this too. There he is. There he is. He's running straight towards me. I got him, it's all right. Number 4. Numero 4. Numero 4. Come here, Quattro. I'm gonna name you Senor. Okay? Got a parasite. You go in there with your buddies. Say hello. How about that? First cast in the grass. All our big boys are gonna come from the narrows, I'm sure. I don't know. Yeah, how are we gonna catch our big fish? It's gonna, huh? Well, obviously, but oh shit. Yeah, dirty.
Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just,
yeah.
5,
Here's our big boy. Here's our big
4,
boy.
3, 2, that's time. I cannot
Son of a gun.
to you,
Oh my god.
that money,
Look at that fat
my
one.
dreams
I never knew she
come
was
true, my life in diamonds. Who
How
knew?
about that, Lee?
Who knew?
How about that, Lee? There's number 5. What do you say?
Who
There's
knew?
like 4 pounds. 3 or 4. Yeah.
Turn 7 to a 14, 14 to a whole thing. Lord knows it's a cold game. Switched up on you, man. Big body take both lanes. Backseat blowing propane. All black fire gold chain. Young rich bossed up on his own, man. My new issue sound like a soul train. Took you with him double coat train. Eric B by the rope chain. RC we for sure.
Alright guys, so we now have a limit, and I've been culling fish. Well, we have not culled a fish yet, but I just caught a fish, and it actually felt really good because I actually had to throw him back because he wasn't going to cull any of our fish. But I also need to catch a few big guys as well, so that's what we're after, is at least 4 4-pounders. We need 4 more 4-pounders. That's all we need. And we'll be set. We will be in the money at that point. Just keep our fingers crossed that we'll get a few more big guys. He destroyed that thing, didn't he? He ain't. He's a feisty fella. Where's your mommy? I'll let him go. Little one. Dude, he smashed it. He's even smaller. See how he came off? Hey, 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 hey. Chill out, bud. That wasn't a good. Huh? I still can't hear you. Well, guys, this day's fun. You're fixing to call Tyler, is that what you said? Chill out, buddy. Chill, buddy. How many is that? 15? Another little guy, but a very fun fight. Beautiful, nice, healthy male bass. Gonna let him go again.
What are you doing?
Yellow needs to chill. He always is like underwater. Well, you put him on top of him and now I can't find him. Nope, ain't gonna call nothing. Sorry, buddy.
Why you bully me?
You're gonna have fun next time. Maybe if you get a little bit bigger.
No boat ride for you.
No boat ride. No fun. Oh yeah. Wait, this is the same kind of grass, my bad. I thought it was like mats. Yeah. We don't really want to change up what we've been doing, and then we'll get screwed up. Now, if we made a bit of a grass change and it had bigger fish or something, that'd be different, but it's not like that right now. I had a gar.
Bass drum stumping like